school. My classroom is located on the first floor of the school. All our classrooms are large and bright. In my classroom there are two very large windows. There are also a blackboard and an interactive whiteboard. I'm learning new things by using interactive whiteboard. Working with new technology is very interesting and attractive.
In my class there are many boys and girls. They are my classmates, but above all, they are my new friends.
Very good friends, but sometimes we argue each other. However, the most important thing is that we grow up together in harmony. I like foreign languages. I think they are very important and interesting.
In my opinion, learning English has become a necessity for studying, for future work, for communicating and speaking with the whole world. Did you know that English is the third most spoken language in the world? I discovered it at school. It's really nice to learn and have fun.
Let's join us! We are ready for you!